Alright guys, part 2, garage build. We got the forms up. We got the dirt in. So, check it out. Come on, buddy. Don't step on the dirt. So the footer's going here, all the way up, around. And then driveway's gonna be right here. And it's gonna be 10 or 8 by 10, so it's gonna end up right there. Footers. But you can see how big it is, man. It's gonna be huge. And then they did my toilet today, so the toilet is coming in here and it goes down to that corner right there. So that's right up against the back wall. I guess how it works, I don't know. Interesting. And then that's the vent on the outside of the building. Pretty cool, man. But it's gonna be huge. 24 by 40. So I'm pretty excited. The building's actually like 5 weeks out, so once I get we got to get inspectors in here. Once they inspect it, then they got to do the plumbing, and then they got to lay the concrete, and then it's got to dry, and then we can get the building out here, and they'll start construction on it. So it looks like pretty cool, huh?